We're going to work out side number 5. So the x-intercepts are at -3, -2, 4, and 5. So I also noticed that all 3 of these x-intercepts, the graph went through. So the multiplicity is odd. And I will only use like a degree of 1 or a degree of 2 because otherwise it's hard to tell exactly what the odd degree is. So it has a multiplicity of 1, we're going to say. And then the 3, since it bounces, or I think they say touches in the book, then the multiplicity is even. Okay, so that means 2 for us. All right, so I'm going to write in factored form. Y is equal to a times x plus 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 4 times x minus 5. And I have to remember that I actually have 2 factors of x plus 3. So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 factors. So the polynomial is an odd degree. And from my graph, I can tell that since the end behavior goes up on the right and down on the left, so I have as x goes to infinity, y goes to infinity, and as x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative infinity. This means that the leading coefficient is positive or greater than 0. All right, so we're going to solve for our a value. It says that there's one more thing, that the graph goes through the point. I think it's 0. I gotta double check here. 0.90. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug in 0 for my x and 90 for my y. So I have 90 is equal to a times 0 plus 3 times 0. 0 plus 2 times 0 minus 4 times 0 minus 5. And make sure I square the factor of 0 plus 3. All right, next up, simplify. 90 is equal to a. So I have 3 squared times 2 times negative 4 times negative 5. So I have 90 is equal to 3 times 3 times 2 times negative 4 times negative 5. 2 negatives make a positive. That gives me 360a. I will divide by 360 on both sides. I simplify by dividing out 90 from the top and the bottom, giving me 1 over 4. So that's my a value. I can go ahead and plug it in. So the equation is going to be y is equal to positive 1/4 times x plus 3 squared times x plus 2 times x minus 4 times x minus 5. All right, so we're not going to multiply this one out like you're going to have to do in the book, but that is the solution for, this is the factored form solution. And I can see that my a value is a positive value, just like we predicted it was going to be. Okay, hope that helps. There's a few more.